Imagine walking through a forest where every tree and every flower is secretly talking. Not with words, but with whispers of chemicals, underground networks, and invisible signals. Sounds like science fiction, right? But the truth is, plants do communicate, and the way they do it might just blow your mind. Most people think of plants as silent, passive, and, well, kind of boring. But researchers have discovered that plants are more like a hidden society, sending messages, warning their neighbors, and even helping each other survive. When a caterpillar chews on a leaf, the plant releases chemical signals into the air. Nearby plants smell this warning and start boosting their defenses, sometimes even making themselves taste bad to insects. It's like one plant yelling, "Help, we're under attack," and the others gearing up for battle. Roots aren't just for drinking water, they also release chemicals into the soil. Some signals warn neighboring plants to stay away. Others can actually help friendly plants grow stronger. So under the dirt, it's basically a plant chat room. But the most mind-blowing discovery is what scientists call the wood wide web. Underground fungi form massive networks that connect trees together. Through this fungal internet, plants can share food, send distress signals, and even help their seedlings grow. Some big trees even act like mother trees, supporting the younger ones. This changes how we see nature. Plants aren't just surviving on their own. They're part of a community, constantly exchanging information. It makes you wonder, if they can communicate in such complex ways, what else might they be capable of that we haven't discovered yet? So yes, plants do communicate. Not with words, not with sound, but with a language written in chemistry, roots, and networks beneath our feet. Next time you're in a garden or a forest, remember, there's an invisible conversation happening all around you. If you enjoyed diving into the secret life of plants, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves nature. Who knows? Maybe plants are listening too.